Hi, good morning and Jai Hind to all. Today we have to discuss what is adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint? Our definition says that adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactors. Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactors. Actually, നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് ഡിറ്ററന്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്താണ് നമ്മൾ മൈനർ ആൻഡ് കോഫാക്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. Now we discuss മെട്രിക്സ് ആണ്. മെട്രിക്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് മൈനർ ആൻഡ് കോഫാക്ട് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. സോറി, അഡ്ജോയിന്റ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തു. അഡ്ജോയിന്റ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത് മെട്രിക്സിനാണ്. മൈനർ ആൻഡ് കോഫാക്ടർ ഓൺലി ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് വാല്യൂ. ഓക്കെ, now definition once more. Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactor. Suppose you take a matrix A is equal to 5, 3, 2, 1. Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactor, and which is denoted by adj. Adj of A. Suppose A is a given matrix A, adj A, small a dj. Representation is small a dj. Adj A, adj A. Okay, now we find adjoint of A. Okay, first of all, you find the cofactor of each element of the given matrix. Cofactor. First, we find minor M11. That is row and column delete. We get answer 1. Then M12, first row, second column delete, we get answer 2. Then M21, second row, first column delete, 3. Then M22, second row, second column delete, we get answer 5. That's a minor. Now, and their corresponding cofactor, A11. 1 plus 1 is an even number, so we get the same minor. Then A12, 1 plus 2, number of rows and number of columns adding equal, we get odd number, so our sign changes in -2. Then A21 -3, and last A22 plus 5. No change. And therefore, the cofactors of the given matrix A, it's a matrix not determined, it's a matrix. Cofactors of A is first element cofactor is 1, second element cofactor is -2, and third element is -3, and fourth element is 5, which is a cofactor of the given matrices. Our definition says that adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactor. That means elementile cofactor കണ്ടെത്തി എഴുതിയതിനു ശേഷം അവരുടെ ട്രാൻസ്പോസ്, റീപ്ലേസിംഗ് ദ എലമെന്റ്സ്, എലമെന്റുകളെ റീപ്ലേസ് അവരുടെ കോഫാക്ടർ റെപ്രസെന്റ് ചെയ്തതിനു ശേഷം then is transpose, that is called the adjoint. That is adj, adj symbol, adj A, adjoint of the given matrix A. Suppose the given matrix is B, then adj B, right? Adj B is equal to transpose of the cofactor, that is 1, -3, then -2 and 5. That's all. Okay, that is adjoint. Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactor. Suppose inverse problems വരുമ്പോൾ ഇത്ര lengthy steps വരുമ്പോൾ adjoint ഒരു shortcut യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, that will be discussed later. First of all, you correct rules follow here. Adjoint of a matrix is the transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing the elements of the given matrix by their corresponding cofactors. Okay, now discuss a 3x3 matrix. How to find the adjoint of a 3x3 matrix? Suppose B is equal to 1, -1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 0, 2. Find the adjoint. Find the adjoint of B is equal to 1, -1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and 3, 0, 2. Okay. First of all, you find the minor and cofactor. M11. First row, first column delete. 1, 1, 0, 2. Answer is 2. Then M12. First row, second column delete. 2, 1, 3, 2. First row, second column. 2, 1, 3, 2. 2 into 2. Principal diagonal product minus of diagonal. 2 into 2, 4 minus 3. Answer is 1. Then M13. M13 means first row, third column, delete, balance and different value. There is 2, 1, 3, 0. 0 minus 3, answer is minus 3. Then M21, second row, first column, minus 1, 0, 2. Answer is minus 1 into 2, minus 2 minus 0, minus 2. M22, second row, second column, 1, 1, 3, 2. 2 minus 3, answer is minus 1. Then M23, second row, third column, 1 minus 1, 3, 0 equal to 0 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3. Then M31, third row, first column, minus 1, 1, 1, 1 equal to minus 1 minus 1, answer is minus 2. Then M32, what is M32? Third row, second column, 1, 1, 2, 1, answer is 1 minus 2 minus 1. And last M33, third row, third column, 1 minus 1, 2, 1, and equally 1 minus 1 minus 2, 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Okay, minus it. Now we find the cofact is A11. A11 is same 2, because 1 plus 1 is an even number. Then A12, 1 plus 2 is an odd number, so we get sign change minus 1. A13, same answer, minus 3. Then A21 is 2 plus 1 is an odd number, so answer is 2. A22, same answer, minus 1. A23, minus 3. A31, minus 2. A32 is again plus 1. A33 is plus 3. That's all. Alternate sign change alternate sign minor alternate sign change we get cofactor, but only 3 by 3 is possible. So you will add here number of rows and number of columns add here. If you get an odd number, sign change here, or even angle same number, minor same number, right? And therefore the cofactors of the given matrix B, cofactors of B. Okay, here A is a symbol, cofactor representation symbol. Here B, cofactor of B, 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 1 3. 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 1 3. That is the cofactor. And therefore the adjoint A D J, adj of B, adj B is equal to adj B. Adj B, A, D, J, adj B is equal to the transpose of the cofactors. Adjoint transpose 2, 2, minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 3, minus 3, 3. That's all. That is the adjoint. Okay, so very simple. First of all, you find minor, then sign change cofactor. Cofactor is collect the matrix set form here, then it's transpose. That's adjoint. Okay. A very important section. Next class is inverse concept of matrix method. Okay. Now discuss some more question based on adjoint. So here take A is equal to 2103. Our question is verify A into adj is equal to dj into I. A into adj is equal to adj into A is equal to dj into I. That's the question. A into adj is equal to adj into A is equal to dj into I. A into adj is equal to adj into A is equal to dj into I. Okay. How to find? First of all, you find the adjoint. It is a minor M11. M11 corresponding to 3. M12 corresponding to first row, second column is 0. then M21 second row first column delete 1 and last M22 second row second column delete we get 2. That's our minor. And their corresponding cofactor A11 same 3, A12 sin change but 0 no change, A21 again sin change minus 1 and last A22 same answer 2. Okay, that's now the cofactors of the given matrix A is equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 2. That implies adj of the given matrix, adjoint of the given matrix is 3 minus 1, 0, 2. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Adjoint ready. Now we find A into adj. A into adj is equal to, here A correspond to 2103 into 3 minus 1, 0, 2 is equal to, you already know matrix multiplication. First row, first column, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 into 0. First row, second column, that is minus 2 plus 2. Second row, second column, 0 plus 0. Second row, third column, 0 plus 6. And therefore, we get answer 6006. That is A into adj. Then secondly, adj into A is equal to, what is adjoint here? Adjoint 3 minus 1, 0, 2 into A. What is A? 2103 is equal to, first row, first column, 3 into 2, 6 plus 0. Then first row, second column, 3 minus 3. Then 0 plus 0 and 0 plus 6. Again, same answer, 6006. Okay, you verify A into adj equal to adj into A is equal to dt A into I. Now we find dt A. Determinant of the given matrix 2103 is equal to, we get answer 6. And therefore, dt A into I is equal to 6 into 1001. You know, I means identity matrix. That is equal to, we get answer 6006. Okay, here A into adj is equal to, adj into A is equal to dt A into I. And last we write A into adj is equal to, adj into A is equal to dt A into I. That's all. Okay, it's a very important result because using this result, you develop inverse. But development syllabus included. Just okay. For that we understand A into adj is equal to, adj into A is equal to dt A into I. It's a very important result. Okay. Now there is some points. Okay, adjoint is points. That points are important for MCQ questions. Okay, that means the points by heart. Right, result note result. Adj of AB is equal to, adj of AB is equal to adj B into adj A. Adj of AB is equal to adj B into adj A. Second is adj of A transpose equal to adj A the whole transpose. Adj of A transpose equal to adj A the whole transpose. Third, A is a matrix of order n. A is a matrix. A is a matrix of order. Order is very important. Order n. Then dit of adj. Then dit of determinant value of adj is equal to dit A raised to n minus 1. നമുക്ക് ഒൻപത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ മെട്രിക്സ് തരാതെ മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ ഓർഡർ മാത്രം കണ്ടിട്ട് മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ അഡ്ജോയിന്റ് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് പഠിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ യൂസ് ദിസ് ഫോർമുല. ഓക്കെ, ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് തരും. ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് ഓഫ് ഒരു മെട്രിക്സിന്റെ ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് വാല്യൂ തരും, പക്ഷെ മെട്രിക്സ് തരില്ല. അതിന്റെ ഓർഡർ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. അത് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് അഡ്ജോയിന്റ് ഡിറ്റർമിനന്റ് വാല്യൂ പിടിക്കാൻ ഹിയർ യൂസ് ദ ഫോർമുല dit A raised to n minus 1. Then A is a matrix of order n. A is a matrix of order n. A is a matrix of order n. Then adj of adj is equal to, is also very important result. Test na based on questions alla ida. Adj of adj is equal to dj raised to n minus 2 into a. dj raised to n minus 2 into a. Adj of adj. So MC questions. MCQ onward question ആയിട്ട് ചോദിക്കാൻ chance ഉള്ള question. Adj of adj is equal to dj raised to n minus 2 into a. And our fifth result is A is a matrix of order n. Matrix of order n. Then dit of adj is equal to dit of adj ന്റെ dit is equal to dit raised to n minus 1 the whole square. dit raised to n minus 1 the whole square. So very important result. Adj of A is very simple, adj B into adj A, but this third is very important. Adj of A transpose, adj A the whole transpose is equal. But A is a matrix order, then dit of adj A, adjoint into determinant value, is equal to dit raised to n minus 1. And A is a matrix order, then adj of adj, matrix in adjoint matrix dit raised to n minus 2 into A. And A is a matrix order, then dit of adj equal to dit raised to n minus 1 square. Actually, this is only a result by heart only for MCQ. MCQ questions it's not a descriptive type questions. Only MCQ discuss objective points is also very important by heart. Okay, next video we will discuss what is inverse of a matrix. That's all. Bye.